When it comes to magic, we have two sides of magic. We have the light side of magic and we have the dark side of magic. Have you ever heard of dark magic? I'm sure by now you have heard names like hoodoo, voodoo, juju, tantra, and other names associated with magic. Now, these are names from different communities associated with magic. Now, these names do not necessarily mean evil practices. What differentiates a light magic and a dark magic is the intention. While the light magic focuses on the good, dark magic is the use of supernatural forces and rituals for harmful, manipulative, and even selfish purposes. Unlike light magic, dark magic is driven by emotion like greed, vengeance, and jealousy. Dark magic involves using of curses, hexes, spirit possessions, and manipulation of energy towards an intended person. Hi there, welcome to this channel. In this channel, we dive deep in spirituality, esoteric wisdom, hidden knowledge, way of the universe, way of our ancestors, including ancient cultures. If this is your first time coming across this page, like, subscribe, hit notifications as we continue with the awakening journey. Now, in this video, we are going to look at how dark magic is practiced and how, as a spiritual person, you should protect yourself against dark magic. For a person to perform dark magic on you, that person must have something that will link them to you. That link can be either your clothes, your hair, your fingernail, your blood, your photo, or anything that belongs to you. After finding something that belongs to you, they use spells and incantation on you. Spells and incantation are chanted words that are meant to summon spirit or cast curses on you. In the spirit world, we have two types of beings. We have the light beings and we have the shadow beings. Now, the shadow beings can be either low vibrational entities, they can be either rogue spirits of the ancestors, or entities with earthly attachment. Now, they summon these shadow beings in the lower astral plane. If you have ever done astral projection, some of you have met these shadow beings. In order to perform strong dark magic on you, they do it during specific times. This time can be either during the time of the full moon, during an alignment, or during the time of an eclipse. Now, with the help of these entities and with something that belongs to you, they weaken your magnetic field, allowing these entities to possess you. To complete dark magic on you, they need something that will amplify their intention. Some of them use monitoring spirits, some of them use charms, some of them use strong herbs like the witchgrass, and some of them use strong talismans. After manipulating your energy and lowering your shield, they get access to your magnetic field. Now, after getting access, some of them cage your spirit, some of them trap your spirit, and they use these forces to possess your physical body. As a spiritual person, if there is something that you should protect at all costs, it's your energy. In case you find yourself a victim of dark magic, I'm going to share with you 4 rituals in which you can perform to protect yourself against dark magic. The first ritual is called a salt circle ritual. Salt circle ritual is where you create a sacred boundary against harmful energy. In order to perform this ritual, you need a black candle, you need dead sea salt, and then you need cedar oil. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to pour the dead sea salt in a circle surrounding you. And then you're going to light the black candle. And in the black candle, you need to add drops of cedar oil for extra shielding. As the black candle continues to light, say these words: by earth and flame, I seal this space. No harm may enter, no shadow may stay. I call upon the spirits of my ancestors. You can say it in your own language, or you can use any language that you feel is the best for you. After doing this, you can sit in the center of the circle as you face the candlelight. You need to close your eyes and visualize the white light of protection. After that, you need to thank your ancestors and close the ritual. Collect the dead sea salt in anti-clockwise manner and then pour the dead sea salt back to the earth. As you pour the dead sea salt, say these words: I close the ritual, but the energy of protection is still with me. The second ritual is called the string knot ritual. This is the most easiest ritual that anybody can perform. To perform this ritual, you need distilled water, you need eucalyptus, and a herb called basil. Mix the 3 and let the mixture sit for 5 minutes. After that, you need to take a string or a thread. You need to add the thread into the mixture. As you add the thread into the mixture, you need to call upon your ancestors for protection. After that, you need to remove the thread and dry the thread for 3 days in the sun. After 3 days, you can take the thread or the string and tie 3 knots. You can wear the knots on your ankle or your waist as a protective talisman. The third ritual is called the mirror reversal ritual. This is where you send back the negative force and the bad energy back to the center without retaliation. In order to perform this ritual, you need something that we call frankincense oil, and you need a mirror. You need to charge this mirror under the moonlight during the time of the full moon. And then you need to anoint this mirror with oil. As you anoint this mirror with oil, say these words: all that is not mine, return to its origin. I walk in the light, untouched by the shadows. After that, you need to place the mirror on your door facing outwards to reflect away the negative energy. The fourth ritual is wearing a hag stone and smoke cleansing ritual. This ritual helps you to send away evil forces, negative energy, and protect yourself against psychic attacks. A hag stone is a naturally occurring stone with a hole in the middle. This stone is a very protective stone. When wearing a hag stone, you need to cleanse yourself using a sage. You need to burn a sage and in a clockwise manner, let the smoke cleanse you. As you do this, say these words: I release what clings, I cleanse what binds. Only the truth and the light remains. In the 4 rituals, you can choose which one is the best for you. As a spiritual person, you can ground, meditate, you can visualize and keep your magnetic field strong. You need to protect your energy at all costs. If you have watched until this point, like and share this video. Tell me your views concerning dark magic on the comment down below. Peace and love.